Hello, the Angel Shane 66 here with an actual outside weather video because I have an umbrella. Now, I had a video I made earlier that got interrupted because the door kept blowing open on me that I might try to edit and upload. But this video is me with my fucking huge ass umbrella. Just kind of going to show you some of what's going on. The wind was really bad earlier, and now it's not so bad, but it's still pouring the rain. Hold on. My umbrella is so huge, doesn't want to fit in certain places. My tomato plants are not okay, and our path is full of water. That was lightning. Now, the water is so bad. Some trees fell when the wind blew, and I have to completely walk around the bamboo trees because they're, well, you can see that. You can hear the thunder, and you can just really see how awful this is. Water running down the street, and just horrible. And I don't want to be out in this too long, but I just really came out to get the umbrella, and then when I saw what was going down, I had to share it with you guys. But like, I can only imagine the floods this is gonna cause again. Like we needed any more devastating rain. I mean, just look at that. Now I'm gonna walk up and see what it looks like in the back alleyway. You'll notice that it is very grown up back here. My umbrella doesn't even but barely want to fit through these trees. And the power went out earlier. But this is the best place for me to share the wind devastation with you. As you can see, there are trees and debris in the yard, not the yard, in the road. I'm really out of breath. It's really hard to video this. There's a fallen down grill that direction. The other directions, trash cans blew over. And we had some power outages. So this video might not be seen for a while. And I'm kind of dumb for walking in this. My umbrella is literally trying to blow out of my hands. See, there's the fallen down trash cans and stuff. And there's the tech building where you can tell the power has went out because all the lights are on. This is just really bad, guys. We did not need any more rain. Now let me go through the struggle to try to get back to my backyard. The struggle is real. So many weird plants. We haven't been able to mow the grass because this rain won't stop. And this is just really horrible. Oh. I can barely hold on to the umbrella. I'm going to blow away. So, before I blow away, I'm going to go, guys. But this is another weather video from your hidden weather girl in West Virginia, Devin. The Angel Shane 66 signing off without a signature boop, but sort of boopish.